The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be a flagship refinement focusing on a brighter privacy display, faster performance via the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and improved low-light photography through wider camera apertures. Design and display. Samsung is rumored to refine the Ultra's ergonomics while introducing specialized display technology. Privacy display, a standout feature that uses Flex Magic Pixel technology to limit side-angle visibility, preventing others from viewing your screen in public. Brighter 6.9-inch screen. The dynamic AMOLED 2X panel may reach a peak brightness of 3000 nits, up from 2600 on the S25 Ultra, and may support a higher 144 Hz refresh rate. Slimmer build. Leaks suggest a reduction in thickness to approximately 7.9 mm, with more rounded corners to improve hand comfort. Camera island. A shift from individual protruding lenses to a unified pill-shaped camera island is expected. Performance and hardware. The Ultra model is expected to use Qualcomm's most powerful chipset globally, unlike the standard S26 models that may vary by region. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This 3nm chip is tailored for Galaxy devices, offering significant boosts in CPU, GPU, and NPU performance for advanced AI tasks. Memory and storage. It is tipped to offer up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. Battery and charging. While the capacity remains at 5,000 milliamps, wired charging may finally see an upgrade to 60 watts, with wireless charging potentially reaching 25 watts, Key 2 ready. Camera system. While maintaining a 200-megapixel main sensor, the focus this year is on nitography and hardware efficiency. Wider aperture. The 200-megapixel primary sensor may feature a wider f1.4 aperture, significantly improving light intake for low-light photos and videos. Quad camera setup, expected to include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel periscope with 5x optical zoom, and a 10 or 12-megapixel telephoto for 3x zoom. Selfie camera, a 12-megapixel front sensor with a wider 85-degree field of view for better group shots. Launch and software. The device is anticipated to headline the 2026 Galaxy Unpacked event. Release date. Expected announcement on February 25, 2026, with retail availability starting around March 11, 2026. Software will launch with Android 16 and One UI 8.5, featuring deeper Galaxy AI integration and a 7-year update promise. S Pen. An integrated S Pen remains, though rumors suggest it may lack Bluetooth remote features this year. This overview breaks down what to expect from the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, including design refinements, performance enhancements, and camera improvements.